Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick review on this bug zapper here. So I just had this thing out last night and used it out with my family, out roasting marshmallows on the deck. I was surprised. This thing actually has a lot of really cool features. It does have a cool flashlight on it, so you can use if you don't need the bug zapper at that time. I really like how you can rotate it, so you can aim and position your flashlight, but it also has so you can rotate it all the way upside down, and it has this circle here, so if you're like out camping and you want to hang it from a tree or whatever, you can hang it up and have like a spotlight shine down on your table. Yeah, it was actually pretty bright, so I was really surprised about that. And then the actual bug zapper, mosquito zapper part, also pretty easy to use. It just has a little button on there that you push. It being a rechargeable thing, I wasn't I was a little skeptical at how good it was going to do, but I was surprised. It actually pulled in a lot of stuff, and I mean, it took care of some bigger bugs that flew in there, as well as some of the mosquitoes. I wasn't outside with it for a super long time, so, and I didn't have a huge mosquito problem at that moment, but I can say while we were out, I didn't have mosquitoes bother me or anything, or really much of anything bother me. So I don't know, hopefully you can see inside here just to see all the big stuff that it caught. It lasted, I think, probably for around 5 or 6 hours. I don't remember exactly. I left it on. So I left it on. I didn't check back exactly how long it stayed on for. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick look at this thing and tell you the features and let you know what was going on and my first kind of use experience with it.